Good morning, students. Today we will take unseen passage reading section. It is very important part, and as you know, these questions are of 20 marks, and it is very necessary how to attempt unseen passages. Comprehension of unseen passage. This is useful for all classes, class 6 to 10 as well as 11 to 12 also. Now, first of all, comprehension of unseen passage. Comprehension means understanding. A comprehension passage, therefore, is a text set as a test of understanding. How well you understand a comprehension passage depends on how well you read it. In order to acquire good reading ability, you need to form good reading habits. The following points will help you read well. First of all, how to read well. Read silently. You should read the passage silently. Do not mutter or hum. Mutter, speak softly, or humming sound loud when you read. You should read the passage silently. Read in sense group. Sense group, what is in it? Sense groups, if a phrase is given as for example, the Gateway of India, this is a group of words. So you should read it in a group. If you will read one by one word, then you will be unable to understand the meaning of this word. Next is read without a cue. Moving a pen or pencil or the index finger, as some students do that, they move pen or pencil or index finger along the text, will only slow down your reading. It is not the correct way to read the passage. So will you moving the head from one side to the text to the other? Instead, move only your eyes. Now, guess the meaning. Guess the meaning. You should guess the meaning as you read. Keep guessing the meaning of unfamiliar or difficult words from the neighboring words or the context in which they are used. Looking up the dictionary for the meaning of all the difficult words is useful but not always practicable. Underline key words points. When you read, it is very useful to mark keywords, phrases and lines which are likely to be the basis of question. Question: check whether examination instructions permit such underlying of the text. Now, next question comes: how to score more. Read the questions first and then locate the information. WH word type questions beginning with who, whom, whose, what, which, when, where, how, why require additional information for questions beginning with be. Do, have, and modals can, may, will, etc. require yes or no type questions. Next, know the question type. What type of question it is? Next, always stick to the word limit, whatever is given. Answer smartly means do not just bodily lift the answer. Change the form of a verb, word, rephrase, and expressions, or use of an alternative sentence structure to meet the requirements of the answer grid or question rubrics. Manage your time in such a way, that is the most important part of the day, part of the passage, that you should manage your time in such a way that you have enough time not only to comprehend, understand the text well, but also to first write rough answers in pencil, check their validity, revise them if need be, and then fare them out in link. So in this way, if you will do, then you will be able to answer these questions and will be able to get full marks in reading passage, that is of 20 marks. So students, you understand this? Read silently, read in sense groups, read without a cue, guess the meaning, underline keywords or points. Then how to score more? Know what type of question. Always stick to the word limit. Answer smartly. Manage your time so that you can complete it in time. Thank you, students.